To properly reconcile your inventory levels with the numbers in the system, RMS can perform a physical inventory count. To create a count, click on the Inventory menu, Physical Inventory. This window displays all physical inventory counts with their statuses. Each physical count is set up like a large transaction with count criteria. After counting is complete and inventory has been adjusted, the physical count is then closed. Click New to create a new physical inventory count. First, choose your general selection method. This will create a count for all items in a selected group, which is chosen below, or by creating a blank count for manual item entry. You can generate for all items in a specified filter, or finally for all items with a last counted date older than the specified date. This last option will begin to be useful after you have counted all items at least once. Let's do a physical count for our dolls department. Select the All Items option and click the Only Items in a Selected Departments button. Choose the department from the list on the right and click OK. Choose a number and description for this count. If you do not select a number, RMS will generate one for you. The status of the count and applicable dates are displayed at the top of the window. Add or delete items from this list by using the buttons on the right. When the item list is correct, you may begin counting. It is possible to print off a list of the items being counted, as displayed in the middle of the window. As employees count the items, the totals can be entered. At any time, it's safe to click the OK button. This will save the current status of the count, but not affect any inventory. The count shows up in the list of inventory counts and can be reopened when ready to enter more values. When the count is complete, click the Calculate button to determine the over and short values. No changes will be made to your inventory levels at this point. Click OK to acknowledge the status window. You are shown the Item Discrepancy Report, which summarizes the expected over and under values. The items are also displayed with their counted, expected, and delta values. This report can be printed using the Print button. At this point, you may want the staff to recount some or all of the items. The Recount button will take you back to the Count window, with the previous values still in the list. After the recount, click the Calculate button again. If the count is now acceptable, the final step is to commit the changes to your items. Click the Commit button. Click OK to adjust your inventory levels to match what was counted. Notice that the physical inventory count can still be referenced, but the status icon has gone gray to indicate that the count has been closed.